Thank you for choosing Matilda International Hospital as your healthcare provider. In order for us to provide a seamless admission process, this video covers information that will help you prepare for your hospital stay. Please take note of the following information while watching the video. Documentation. The do's and don'ts before your procedure. Infection control measures. Your rights and responsibilities. Payment options. Transportation to the hospital. Please note that all procedures should be booked with the hospital by your doctor. If you want to reschedule your procedure, please contact your doctor's clinic for the arrangement. After your procedure is booked, you can carry out an online check-in at least 1 day before admission. This will shorten your admission time and make sure the hospital has the most up-to-date information from you. You can scan the QR code for online check-in. You should always follow your doctor's instruction on what to do prior to your procedure. For example, do not eat or drink. If your procedure involves an anesthesia, the general recommendation is not to eat or drink for around 8 hours before your procedure. However, some patients may be asked to fast for a longer period of time. It is always good to double-check with your doctor prior to admission. Remove contact lenses. Remove nail polish. Nail polish can interfere with pulse and oxygen level monitoring. Arrange transportation. It is not advised to drive to the hospital for a procedure involving sedation, as it is not safe to drive afterwards. If possible, arrange for someone to accompany you on discharge. If you have been admitted to another hospital or healthcare institution anywhere in the last 3 months, you will be required to undergo a multi-drug resistant organism screening. An additional fee will be incurred. If you want to know more about this screening, please contact the Patient Service Center. At Matilda, the patient's rights and responsibilities are important elements in our commitment to care. We want to ensure you are respected, well-informed, and receive the best possible care. Therefore, please visit our website to learn about your rights and responsibilities before admission. You can also contact our Patient Service Center if you need more details. Your hospital bill will include both hospital and doctor's fees. Before your admission, you should inquire about prices. It is important that you understand the type of room categories and how this affects prices, as well as being aware of any possible extra charges involved. If you have medical insurance, pre-authorization may be required, and you should check with your insurer on the benefit coverage. The hospital can provide a quotation on hospital fees if requested in advance. Please contact the Patient Service Center. Unless you are a full care package, your doctor will set their own fees. The hospital only collects doctor fees on their behalf, so please check with your doctor regarding their fees before your admission. It is imperative that you bring your HK-ID card, passport, birth certificate, or any other valid identification documents with you. To comply with regulations and ensure safe care, patients without an identification document will not be treated or have surgery performed until a valid ID is produced. Please bring identification documents, insurance card or company guarantee letter, imaging films, medication records, or any other clinical items as instructed by your doctor. For maternity admission, you will also need partner's identification documents, old disposable underwear, socks, nursing bras, clothing, wraps, and a travel-safe carrier to take your baby home. Scan the QR code to see what we provide for patients. We strongly advise you not to bring valuable items with you. We accept the following payment methods: cash in Hong Kong dollar, credit card such as Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, or China Union Pay, Alipay, WeChat, EPS. All patients should pay an admission deposit upon admission. It is usually a minimum of 20,000 Hong Kong dollar or 50% of the estimated total charges, whichever is higher. However, if your stay is covered by your insurance company and they have a direct billing agreement with us, a deposit will be waived if a guarantee of payments is in place at the time of admission. please contact the Patient Service Center for assistance in pre-authorization. There are a limited number of parking spaces for patients, available on first-come, first-served basis. Alternatively, the hospital provides a free shuttle bus from Central. Upon arrival, please go to the main reception on the ground floor. We understand there is a lot on your mind as you prepare for a hospital admission. If you have any queries, please reach out to our Patient Service Center so that we can make the process as smooth as possible. Thank you for choosing Matilda International Hospital as your healthcare provider.